This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money from Robinhood to your bank account. We will cover the simple steps to move your funds, ensuring a smooth process. First, you will learn how to securely link your bank account. Then, we will walk through initiating a withdrawal request. Finally, we will discuss the typical processing times and any important limits to keep in mind. To begin, open your Robinhood app and tap on the account icon, then select Transfers. If your bank account isn't already linked, choose the option to add a new account. You will typically need to provide your bank's login credentials for secure verification. This process ensures your funds are transferred to the correct destination. Once your bank account is linked, head back to the Transfers section and select Transfer to your bank. Carefully enter the exact dollar amount you wish to withdraw. Remember, there is a daily withdrawal limit of up to $50,000 for standard transfers. Review all the details on the screen, then confirm to submit your request. Standard bank transfers usually take about 2 to 5 business days to complete, appearing in your bank account. For quicker access, instant transfers are available for a fee of 1.75%, with funds arriving in minutes. Keep in mind the daily withdrawal limit of $50,000 per business day. Also, funds from recent deposits or stock sales may have a short holding period before they are fully withdrawable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.